An area nearly half the size of Wales is used overseas to grow just a handful of Welsh imports, including soy, palm and beef. 30% of this land used to grow these commodities is in countries at serious risk of deforestation, habitat loss and social exploitation. These global forests and habitats not only provide an irreplaceable home for Indigenous peoples, local communities and wildlife, but play a crucial role in limiting global warming, essential for our planet's health and future survival. What we do here in Wales is having a catastrophic impact on these valuable global habitats, which are being cleared to grow commodities for our use. Wales needs to take urgent steps to make sure that these commodities we import are not contributing to overseas deforestation and habitat loss. One business doing just that is popular Cardiff-based burger restaurant Ansh, who offer ethical, sustainable food straight from farm to fork. Welsh citizens are indirectly contributing to overseas deforestation and habitat loss. This is due to either eating imported beef from high-risk countries that are destroying habitats for beef production, or by consuming meat and dairy products from livestock and poultry reared in Wales that are fed on soy and palm imported from high-risk countries. Not at Ansh, where all meat is sustainable and supplied directly from Sean's family farm situated at the foothills of the Cambrian Mountains.
So we started Ansh about a year ago. It was something we'd always wanted to do, something we wanted to use to champion Wales as a nation, the language, the culture, but also the fantastic produce that we have here. So that's why we partnered up with Sean Jones of Oriel Jones. By utilising our partnership with the farm and with Sean, we can ensure that all our meat is sustainable, that it's locally sourced. We're very much at the start of our journey here at Ansh, but it's something we're looking to improve all the time. Animal welfare and the environment and the impact we have upon it are things that are key to us here as a business. Using meat from the farm also ensures that we can have control over the feed our livestock is given, so that we know that no palm oil or soy-based feed is used on the farm. And this is key to what we do, as we want to eliminate, where possible, the use of these things.
Sean is a fourth-generation farmer, doing things very differently to how his father farmed. He practices nature and climate-friendly, regenerative farming. He works with nature, actively restoring and protecting it, so that he's able to harness what nature provides.
Regenerative agriculture, very simply, is the rebuilding of the soils and the ecosystem. It's conservation and rehabilitation. So we use animals to build organic matter within our soils, to help the biodiversity of the sward, of nature. And this is done in a very natural manner. Yeah, so this land is very rugged. We farm it pretty extensively, so it's very, very natural. So we don't buy in any imported soy. All our feed that is used is GM free. We will begin to grow our own crops to feed the animals through the winter. So we're on that process of improvement to create a sustainable environment and a sustainable business. We have farmed conventionally in the past, and I've had experience of this, and I just feel we were fighting against something. It's like trying to push water uphill, that each year we do the same thing, we'd get the same or worse results, but we'd continue to do it. So that caused the shift in mindset, really, that what we're doing isn't right, that we need something. And since changing our approach, since becoming more of a natural, regenerative style of farming, we feel that, one, the animals are thriving far better. That's clearly evident. But it's a journey that we're committed to, and we truly believe in. So as Ansh, as our burger business, we work with Crafty Devil Brewery, which are a local Cardiff-based brewery. And obviously from their brewing process, there's the waste grain. where this quite often would go into landfill or have no general use. But for us, it has a resource, it has a use, and as you can see from the cattle behind me, every couple of days we bring the odd bag back, and they're more than happy to eat it. And what's great about this process is that customers of Ansh can sit down and have their pint of ale or pint of lager, and also eat a burger that's produced off the same grain. And I think there's something quite special about that. To me, that's truly sustainable, local, and a collaborative approach, and that's something as Oriel Jones and as Ansh that we're keen to promote.